little bit slow, but Indonesia has done, I would say, wonderfully well. So we have decided to set up a fund because you see Pakistan is asset solvent country. This is very important. You have been seeing all the way this morning the figure of 6 trillion, the mineral reserves of Pakistan, $6 trillion, not rupees. Now, what is the debt of Pakistan? $100 billion. What is the debt, public debt and liabilities external? $130 billion. So we are asset solvent. So, don't get surprised when I always used to say in the last 10 months, any institution or no institution, Pakistan will not default. And I meant it. And we proved that Pakistan will not default because we are asset solvent and it's only a matter of financial management. So we have gone forward to set up this fund under an act of parliament. It could have been under corporate structure, but it's better that if it's act of parliament because it's more acceptable globally. We will have sub-funds under this fund. We'll have agriculture for green revolution, a sub-fund. We will have, if need be, we'll have mineral and mines funds. You see, it depends. Some friendly countries are interested to invest in Pakistan in these areas. We will have IT fund. So I think the move forward would be that it's investor choice. They want to come in a sovereign fund, a sub-fund of a sovereign fund. They're most welcome. They want a corporate structure, special vehicle. They're most welcome. So we'll offer any the mod they would like to be, investing in. I'm sure that, with these facilities and again at the cost of little reputation, we have already got a core body, which is, this special, investment, this facilitation committee. I think it's going to be, another great help to the investors. Because, the one window facilitation which they expect should be given to them. There are some improvements in certain provinces. We have done a little better in the ease of doing business as per the World Bank Index. We are probably one of the best reformers in the last couple of years. So I'm sure that will also ease out the things. So what is our goal? Our goal is to attract investors. The assets are there. By the way, you have been seeing the minerals and all this thing asset. When they talk of assets of Pakistan, when they say Pakistan is hugely asset solvent, I mean it. One gas pipeline system in Pakistan, which is one of the largest in the world, alone is worth $40 to $50 billion. So, that talking and comparing with a loan of a total debt of $100 billion, I think people get very quickly nervous, but I don't blame them because we have unfortunately a culture that we start being pessimist very soon, and this actually outside country I welcome them, but within the country I think it's not desirable. Everybody must talk reasonably and must talk sensibly and prudently with responsibility, because when you talk of economics, when you talk of economy, when you talk of numbers, when you talk of debt, when you talk of sustainability, I think one has to be very careful because your little loose talk can cost the country, a lot in terms of perception, in terms of market jitteriness, etc., etc. But as I said, our goal is now with these, initiatives. These are the future drivers of growth. Your agriculture, your minerals, mines and minerals, and your IT. Three drivers of growth to be mainly focused in the years to come for the country, no matter who is in governance. This government will be completing its tenure, hopefully within a couple of weeks, and then there will be general elections, and whosoever gets the chance. I am believer of Charter of Economy. I remember when 2013, I presented probably the third budget. I actually tabled this idea in the Parliament that we should go for a Charter of Economy, and unfortunately we couldn't manage it, and we couldn't succeed. We had, and then every year I used to offer the opposition, let's have a Charter of Economy, let's have the people of Pakistan as a witness on that charter, and let's have a future projection that which is our direction to take this country forward. But unfortunately, it couldn't materialize, but it's never too late. I think we should still aim at, and we will try, God willing, if we get the re-elected, which we hope we will be, then obviously we can try all these things. It's too little time now, because we have been dealing with more priority difficult areas in the last me after September, and obviously the government after April 2022. So I personally believe that the vulnerability or turbulence is over. We are now in the stability phase, and now the things are turning towards the growth. And the growth, our goal is and should be that we should regain what we already achieved in 2016-17, 24th economy of the world. That should be the first step. The second step should be that we should go back to that projection of PricewaterhouseCoopers in 2016-17, Pakistan will join G20. I think Pakistan has the potential, Pakistan has the resources, Pakistan has the opportunities to offer to the investors in these three major areas. And as I said, that this, by the way, this fund would start off with only seven assets of the people of Pakistan, which are always held in the name of the government of Pakistan, which will add up to roughly 2.3 trillion rupees, and which is about $8 billion. So I think that this would be a start you will be seeing in the days to come, and we are all set to work for the progress and inshallah for the better growth and the old revival of Pakistan journey to the prosperity and the growth. So I wish all the honorable investors from the core of my heart that I wish that the opportunity we would work as a catalyst for them to make gainful investments in Pakistan, and for Pakistan it will prove to be a process of progress on prosperity. Pakistan Zindabad.